Sit down, sit down.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our Smart Math Bank. I'm Avantika, receptionist for today, and we are excited to take you on a fun journey to the world of banking where math meets a real life. In our bank, you will learn how interest works, how money is created, how money is exchanged, how accounts are created, and much more through one-hand activities and role-plays. Before I begin, let me introduce you my team who will help you get started in.
Hi, I'm our system today. Do you want to open an account? Yes. Please fill this form.
It will take time.
You can take your time. And after filling this form, please hand it back to me. And as this form will be required at the account opening section.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move.
Or withdraw money out of your bank account. So, what do you want to do?
Withdraw. Okay. I want to know what should I do?
No problem.
Fill up the form.
And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move. You make me move.
The smart city model here is solar panels. The electricity produced by these solar panels comes in residential area. Here we light a proper planning of how the smart city properly managed commercial area built by
When empty water is cold in this, then larger particles are separated by metals, then cold brings the order, then smaller particles are separated by water, and the minor particles are separated by water. Then this creates a final air and then
You only need the gas.
Can we add bleaching powder? Bleaching powder. Have you heard about it? I'm in the hospital. Please is there.
Explain how the process works.
So the infrared blood is collected from the body, and then in the dialyzer it is separated, the waste materials is separated, and the pure blood is collected from here, the blood sample, and then
Okay. This is the problem.
it gets cured and then goes back to the body.
What please?
First,
was held in June 2024 titled Those Who Know They Know. Featured in the
Citric acid, sodium carbonate, and sodium bicarbonate. Here when we pour
Is it working?
Yes.
Can you show?
The water containing oil, a chemical reaction will take place which will produce CO2 bubbles. The science behind this is
What is this? How it works?
When we open the cap, the water comes out.
Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
If I ask you questions, you will be able to tell me more in detail than class 5. Yes? Green buildings are not just green buildings because of solar panels. They also they have green spaces on the buildings also, which can ensure that the building becomes smoother at the back in the for offices where parts of on each floor there are green spaces. Give me an example of country where this is done.
What is this?
Life and water project. Life and water.
Organized by the Hands Club Class. We welcome you with all our hearts as this is a very big and golden opportunity to show you our skills that you have acquired over time learning math. There are a total of 11 groups, 6 of them are models and 5 are professionals. We hope you enjoy your stay here.
What data scientists do it?
They are the first.
So basically, data scientists are the people who code things and they build the companies that make a large profit with the not only with money, but make a big profit with education and information in the country and more awide in the society.
So hello everyone.
I am Nival and he is Arav.
And we are the data scientists, aka the people whose first love is tech. And I've learned a secret with my lovely friend Pat. And he said that he's literally shocking us.
Not just in class, but in every gadget, website, game, and even your school PowerPoint.
Let me explain you one cool topic at a time. So, the first one is IBM. Don't set it by its time look, because it's a big part of robot, physics, and what a time is. You can take it to big life, keep simple, and even what your plan. Now, ventilator like this one. It can be used to raise the temperature. It can help to rotate the robot. And resistance, current, Ohm's law is all about maths.
Next stop is going to be our HTML.
What is Ohm's law?
Ohm's law is basically about current, resistance and voltage.
Any particular formula for Ohm's law?
I don't remember.
You want to study?
Oh, no, you did study in high classes.
So HTML is our next stop, which is the OG languages for our website.
So, what is this? Can you explain?
This project is about SDG goal 14, which is life below water. In this SDG goal, we save the ocean, we save the marine animals, like if there is overfishing or if there's acidification or everything. SDG people from NGOs support this goal because this helps marine life to stay alive.
Very good. And you, Redman? What is this?
Sir, this is our SDGs or life below water, goal 14. This is about how the plants and animals live in the water or below the water.
How we can save these animals that are below water? Nowadays, so much plastic in the water. And how we can save?
Stage and other art by which plants and animals are made.
Plastic properly.
What do you
Today we
explain
will
me?
talk about zero hunger. The Sustainable Development Goal 2. which is
Zero? What?
Zero hunger. This
Zero
goal
hunger.
isn't just about ending hunger. It's about ensuring that every person, everywhere has access to safe, sufficient and nutritious food every single day.
It's not only the second development goal set by the United Nations, but also a dream we all must strive to make real.
Okay, very good. You?
This is SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. It focuses on clean source of energy and provide energy to all.
What is full form of SDG?
Sustainable Development Goals.
You guys, what is this?
So this is a model based on the 15th Sustainable Development Plan, which is imposed by the USA, which is Life on Land. Life on Land mainly focuses on protecting the environment, the nature, trees, etc., and the animals and the various ecosystems that reside within it.
It is about life on land. It is reminder for all that life on land is not just about protecting trees. It's about us, our future and our choices. So today we are telling that we should plant more trees and we should say no to plastic.
It's about our SDG goal 13, climate action, which is about taking urgent steps to fight climate changes and its impact. Climate change means reducing greenhouse gases, switching to clean energy and preparing for natural disasters, and using less plastic and saving electricity and water.
Very good.
This is our topic is clean water and sanitation. This shows us about how we clean our environment, and we should always keep our environment clean and our
Great, very good. Life on land. What is this?
This is SDG 15, Life on Land. It shows us to say no to deforestation and cutting trees, that we should always protect our land and
What happens if we cut all the trees on the earth?
it leads to deforestation, and unfortunately all living beings or like plants and animals, they would not get their food, and we will also not get our oxygen.
Thank you, ma'am. Well prepared students. Clap for yourself, everyone.